Hi, welcome back or welcome to the channel. As many of you guys know, DaVinci Resolve is officially on iPad and it is free for the free version. I have a video I made where I show you how to download it and how to install it, and I even go over it in another video as well. But this time I want to show you guys how to upgrade to the studio version, because yes, there is a studio version as well. Don't mind the media offline stuff. It's for another video that I did not too long ago. So, in order to simply do this, type in, go to effects, hit search up here, type in whatever effect you know is a paid effect. I chose noise reduction personally because I know for a fact it's a paid effect. And then just drag it into here. And then you'll get a pop-up that's a DaVinci Resolve Studio required. And then you can purchase it if you want. You can hit not yet, or you can hit restore. Now, if this doesn't pop up for you, because you see, if I say not yet, and then drag again, it won't show. You simply just have to fully close, like I will right now. Make sure you fully close DaVinci Resolve and then reopen it. And then once you reopen it, go to effects again, type in noise reduction or whatever. And then you'll see when I drag it, it will pop up once again. It's kind of a hidden thing. I don't know why it's hidden. Don't ask me. I would prefer a simple buy button or something, but maybe it's something that they're worried that people will accidentally click, accidentally purchase, because there's no way to accidentally do it this way. So yeah, there you go. Just to give you a heads up, it's $95 to $100 USD with tax right now for the studio version. And if you own the desktop studio version, you do not get the studio version for the iPad for free. So I want you to keep that in mind. And yeah, that's all I wanted to show you guys. Hopefully you guys found it helpful in some way, shape, or form. And I will catch you guys in the future. Later.